guys, this is me, this is us.
Nirasha.
I'm Palak.
And I'm Nandini Singh. And this is our very first video of our channel. And this too is for our CA of, that is our assignment of public administration.
Elements of public administration.
Yeah.
So we have interviewed some of the citizens.
So those were the straight interviews. And we tried to approach them to ask the questions, what are the issues they are facing.
On Saturday, we have reached the additional deputy commissioner office and got to know that it's a holiday. So we started walking and we saw some of the garbages on the street and we started filming that. But suddenly one auntie approached us.
And we asked her what are the issues, what she wants to say, and the
We
first
have not asked her. She herself
yeah,
told
she
us.
actually herself told us, and we were like, okay, we are recording you. And first she was hesitating, but then she was like, okay, we'll do it. And the next clip is that interview.
नहीं, हम बोल रहे हैं शहर बिल्कुल साफ होना चाहिए।
Exactly.
इतने मुलाजिम अपन भर्ती करे किस काम के? कोई फायदा है? सबको उनको बोलो उनकी ड्यूटी लगाएं। एसएसपी कमिश्नर दफ्तर, डीसी के दफ्तर सारे पासे गंदगी पड़ी है, कोई सफाई नहीं हो रही। जब मर्जी आप जाके मौका देख सकते हैं।
After taking the interview of that auntie, we started walking and then we saw a major issue in our India, that is child labor.
The kid was only 16. His name was Shiva, and
He was from Lucknow and his father died, and because of his financial condition, he was doing that work.
and it was really very, क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Like horrible to see. Like he also had the right to education, na? But he's not getting the education.
And no one did not even care. Why? Like, he
Why?
is also kid of someone. He also deserves to get the quality education, at least minimum education, that is 10. He deserves that. But no, he was just 16 and working on the street. He was, I don't know, he was just
He
cleaning
was
and
just
all.
16 and taking the responsibility of his family. That's not what a child do.
Yeah. And the next clip is that child. ठीक है, आपकी एज कितनी है? 16। और आपका नाम क्या है?
शिवा।
Shiva.
आप यहाँ पे काम करते हो?
हाँ जी।
किसके अंदर?
अंडे बेचता हूँ।
आप ये काम क्यों कर रहे हो? कौन करा रहा है आपसे?
मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ।
फिर भी कोई तो रीजन होगा, आपको इसके पैसे मिलते हैं।
हाँ जी।
कौन देता है?
मालिक
कौन है आपका मालिक?
अभी आधा दे दिए थे।
Then we walked further and we saw a guy who was putting trash. Trash होता है ना?
हाँ हाँ, ट्रैशी होता है on the like street.
On the street.
It was the main road near the very famous chalk, BMC chalk, which is known as the, I guess, constitutional chalk. And even there was this open dumping yard. And we asked the kid, why are you putting this there? And he was like, my boss has asked me to do that.
We even asked him that the government has given that place to put the trash on, and he said, my boss said that.
I don't know, maybe his boss is the government or something like that.
Yeah, maybe I think.
आपने वहाँ पे कूड़ा क्यों डाला?
मेरे मालिक ने बोला वो
कौन है आपका मालिक?
कुलदीप सिंह गिल।
कहाँ पे है?
वो आने वाले थोड़ी देर में।
आई नहीं। आपकी एज क्या है? 19। और आप काम कर रहे हो?
हाँ।
आप पढ़ाई नहीं करते अभी?
नहीं, छोड़ दी है।
आपने कहाँ तक पढ़ाई की है?
मैंने 5वीं जाके
उसके बाद
छोड़ दी।
क्यों?
पापा एक्सपायर हो गए।
तो फिर किसी गवर्नमेंट ने, किसी NGO वगैरह ने आपकी हेल्प नहीं की पढ़ने में?
Basically, after that, we headed toward the municipal corporation head of Jalandhar by walking, and we have faced many things though, and we will share that in our experience. But for the main right now, we are gonna talk about the municipal corporation experience now. Okay, after we reach the municipal corporation,
We face too many things. Like, these should not be normal, but that is normalized in our country. And I really think, why is there so? And the major reason might be the corruption. Actually, it was Saturday, and we thought Saturday is going to be the half day, so we reached there before 12, and we got to know that the offices are closed, so-called closed, but they weren't closed at all. From like
After
I
that,
don't
we noticed the infrastructure of it. We are gonna add that video on in this clip, but the infrastructure is so bad. Basically, the work of municipal corporation is to maintain the infrastructure also, but the infrastructure of its own is not in a good condition.
Yeah.
Like so dirty, so broken.
God, oh God, that was horrible to encounter that. We saw water leaking in the offices in the department, and oh my God, I could not understand the first thing, that is, why were we even here? If the office was supposed to be closed, it should be closed, right? But it wasn't. It was open, and we both were roaming around that like, it doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. And all the Almiras, they were open. They were like open. They had files. We were checking the files. If we could do that, anyone else can.
And the lights, the fans, they were all on. And there was no one in that building. No one. Not even a single person was there, but the lights, fans were on. And even the closed rooms, the inside the room lights were on. And we talk about the electricity. Municipal talk about the electricity. Like on your own, you are not doing anything, and you are expecting that we're gonna off the light.
Like we are not going
Like start
daily.
from your building
your
now.
own offices. Start from there.
Then we noticed some of the garbage cans. They were
Inside
full.
the office.
They were full. Literally, they are not on the proper place. The garbage was outside the trash cans. How we gonna get a smart city, a planned infrastructure, a proper city with no garbage around?
Yeah,
Like when the garbage is in the home, like how we are not gonna find the
in
garbage
in
the street?
Yeah, this is really concerning, I think, but it is what it is, and we will surely add the clips.
This is one of the department of municipal corporation, and this is the infrastructure, guys.
और ये फैंस चल रहे हैं, पता नहीं किसके लिए। हमें कह रहे हैं बिजली बचाओ, बिजली बचाओ।
बंद है वैसे तो, बट
ऑफिस बंद है, पर विंडो तो खुली है ना। विंडो खुली है भाई, अलमीरा खुली कैसे हो सकती है?
So at the end, in conclusion, we are adding our personal experiences.
Apart from what we have already showed in the video, we also face the major issue that is about the women's safety.
And like we have counted
Hundreds of them.
like many of them looking at us like with no shame and no hesitation. Like they all are like boys think that looking at a woman is their basic right. Brother, it's not.
And they were actually very much shameless. We were recording and they were smiling at us and thinking that, oh my God, I don't know what they thought.
Oh my God, she's filming us. Like seriously,
Like, bro, have some shame. Have some shame.
that you're looking at another woman. And it could be your mother one day. It could be your sister one
Be
day.
your mother and your sisters, but no. In India, everything is normal until and unless it comes to themselves. Like, अगर हमारी जगह उनकी बहनें होती तो they were like, oh, हम तो मार देंगे, ये कर देंगे, वो कर देंगे. But when it comes to the other women,
They thought it's their basic right. Like
every
why
morality,
not?
every ethic is ended.
Why not? Why not? We should not look at them. Like why not, right?
And it was really very uncomfortable. It is always very much uncomfortable. We are not the only one. Every woman, every Indian girl has faced this at least once in their life. Not once. It is actually
It's happening
It's of
every
daily,
day.
yeah.
Like hundred of times every day. Like on bus, train, everywhere. It's happening everywhere. And
it
we
was
just keep silence because this is becoming normal to us. Like getting stares from everyone is getting normal for us. Like so normal. Like
And it
We
was
don't
not.
even minding it now.
Yeah, it was not also about the attire, because we were wearing our uniform.
Like formal attire, like every
A
woman
shirt and a
every
trouser.
man wear in their offices. Like seriously, everyone wear them. This is the formal attire, brother. Why are you looking at us?
This was really very disturbing. It is always disturbing,
And
and
it is also disturbing that we are putting this point like we were not wearing improper attire.
we need to justify this.
Yeah. Like, what if even we have worn something like
Shorts
so what?
and all.
So what?
You have still no right to stare us.
Right.
Right? We do not do this. Girls never stare any boy whether they are wearing anything or not.
Right. And boys don't even wear.
Yeah, exactly. Like
the-
go outside during the Holi or anything, they are like legit shirtless and still they are like, oh, it's okay, we are men. But even but when it comes to the women, even when we are wearing kneel and they are gonna stare at us like, oh, there's something new. I've never seen the legs.
Right. And
Look at
actually,
your own, bro. Look at your own.
the hairy legs.
Yeah. Shave them and put your lust over there. Not on us. We are not for that. And it is actually very, very strange that our topic was about the policies, the government policies.
The government facing challenges.
Yeah.
But
This
they are
is
the
what-
one who's facing facing the challenges there. Like the basic problems are there in the root level, like child labor, sewage system, and many more. But the basic thing,
No, I'm saying that isn't it very strange that we have to talk about the women's safety, we have to talk about this when our topic was about the policies and all.
Right.
This is very strange. This is very strange, but we will put this because we know that we are going to post this video on YouTube, and I really want everyone to know that how shameless you guys are.
like really.
Legit. So, in conclusion of what we have did in the video, apart from this issue, we have faced what we have faced.
We have
Sanitation and
improper infrastructure, like,
the issues. I guess they
and the main issue also the presence of police at the street lights, like street lights or counter
चौक ही बोल रहे हैं.
chalk, and there were no police officers present.
Yeah, and we actually encountered something which we cannot talk about,
Yeah, right.
but it was. I mean,
Like actually, we will talk about later.
Some other
now,
video.
because it's our first video. We don't want any like government ban. Government ban from it. So yeah, this was our first video and our experiences and what we have encountered, and we will soon upload the part 2 in which we will ask these questions from a superior
officers,
officers, like additional deputy commissioner or the actual deputy commissioner,
the mayor and all. We'll do that for sure, but
like for sure.
at least, I don't know, maybe in the month of October or something, but we will do it for sure because we are making this. We are making this
Because we
YouTube
are the
channel.
citizens and we want our answers.
Yeah. We want change. We want officers to be responsible.
Like at least provide some awareness.
That's the basic thing that you should do. And if you're not, then I mean, shame on you, I guess. Because this is for what you are getting paid. इसी के लिए सैलरी आ रही है ना, और आप वही काम नहीं कर रहे हो तो हराम का खाना बोलते हैं इसको. Okay, so
ये नहीं डाल
this
रहे
is- नहीं यार, I will.
Government ban चाहिए तेरे को पहली वीडियो में लगा.
This was it for the
So
video.
this were us. Nirasha.
Rasha, bye bye.